Welcome to the April 2024 construction update video for the Tamar Estuary River Health Action Plan. Over the last month and a half, we've been busy delivering several of our projects that will improve the health of the Kanamaluka Tamar Estuary and the environment that surrounds it. Our horizontal directional drilled tunnel under the Tamar is progressing well. This tunnel travels from the West Tamar silt ponds deep under the river to our Margaret Street pump station. In a project milestone, we successfully drilled the pilot hole from each side where they have now intersected 45 metres under the riverbed. At our site at the silt ponds area, we have just completed the final components of the direct buried section of the trench pipeline. We now have just over 1 kilometre of the pipeline buried underground. Next, we will begin preparing to pressure test this section of the pipeline. Once this has been completed, we'll have completed our direct buried works at the silt pond site. At our Tea Tree Bend sewage treatment plant construction site at Invermay, we have now excavated well over 12,000 tonnes of material from the site and treated the potential acid sulphate soil at our treatment pad in the east of the Tea Tree Bend plant. In addition, we have completed the relocation of existing services to make way for the future 10 megalitre storage tank. To support the weight of this new large tank, we've commenced a ground improvement technique called mass soil mixing. This process involves mixing the existing soil with grout, forming something that resembles wet concrete. Once the grout hardens, it will provide a solid, hard surface for construction. Not only will this provide us with a strong foundation, but it will also help to prevent groundwater infiltration. We've completed roughly 40% of the mass soil mixing. Over the coming months, we will continue to make headway with the mass soil mixing as we prepare for the commencement of continuous flight auger piling that will begin in the second half of the year. Don't worry, this is a relatively quiet technique in comparison to noisy pile driving that you may have heard before. Towards the end of 2024, following the completion of the foundation works, we will begin constructing the new 10 megalitre covered storage facility and supporting infrastructure. The new storage tank is designed to take the flow from the new sewer pipeline project, meaning less overflow events into the Tamar River. The tank is being built with future demand in mind. The project is expected to be completed in 2026. To stay up to date with the project updates, check out our website or follow along on the TasWater socials. Thanks for showing interest in the TERHAP construction updates.